All right, these are the directions for the Unit 1 Space System Study Guide. So let's find that on Google Classroom. It's going to look like this. I want to say it's like 2 pages or so. And so the first part, this will be similar to how your test is kind of structured, is going to be about vocabulary. And I would, because you probably won't remember, is use this link. It has all the filled out copies of your notes, as well as, I believe, the vocab slides. And if it doesn't, I'll add the vocab slides. Yep, they're here. So I would use this to, write this down. So you're trying to redo your vocab or respond again about what your vocab was. Again, this should all be in your own words if you're going to hopefully remember it. But it'll go through the really important vocab words that we've talked about throughout this unit. And then the second part is about these really big ideas. And that's where, if you don't remember, you probably want to look at these different filled out copies of your notes to kind of help you out. And that is what I would use to fill this out and what you remember from those different assignments. So this covers all the really big ideas that we've talked about, and that's really it for your study guide. This shouldn't be super difficult given that you can use your resources to fill this out, but just make sure, hopefully I would try and use as much as your brain as you can, because if you can actually fill out a lot of this without having to look anything up, that means you probably don't need to study. If you have to look up a lot of this, then you probably should be studying it, because on your test you're not going to be able to look any of this up. So it's kind of my pro tip for you. But that's about it. Make sure you do that and have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.